we adjusted this didn't have enough slack in it. So we adjusted that. We adjusted the ropes. Oh, there's one more rope I want to adjust. This one over here.
You're pushing the entire Slater.
Yeah, because some will come down and whatever, some will come down. So I'll tighten up that rope.
Smoke.
What are you working on? What's that?
This is the forward hatch down to the bosun's locker. And apparently you do weather stripping and there's some really rough spots.
Yeah. Oh, you guys working on this now?
Yeah.
Are you just putting a new seal in it? And
well, whatever needs to, I don't know what. We're just trying to doing some make work, clean out the gasket gutter.
all right, so this is the main affair today. So last week we were gonna get that taken apart, but found that it actually has just a few inches of oil above the lowest outlets. So we can't just crack those loose, otherwise we're gonna get all that oil dripping into the bilge. So the new main event is, try to get you something here. Now over here, there's a valve, and that valve drains out that big thermostat there. And then we have the heat exchanger that lives over here. It's tough to see it. And then it comes over here, right? Now, right there, try to see what I'm doing, huh? So right there, it's a little trap there. There's a little square plug in it. Now, that plug, I need to replace it with a 1/2-inch valve because that is no doubt full of water. Now, this engine here, and at some point, you know, we can talk about it in a video about what was done on this engine to try to see the state of it. So this one had seawater in it. And so, you know, since most of these things they're non-ferrous metal, so it's not like they're rusting out, but it's just something we don't want. We don't want these things to be filled with water if they don't need to be. So I'm gonna go and grab some fittings, and then we'll get a valve on it. And that way we can drain the water out in a controlled fashion. And then down there, we have a sump pump. And that goes over here to an overboard that is right now has a plug in it. The plug's right, you probably can't see it. But there's a plug there that's usually in there. Okay, that's where the water's coming out. So we're back near the end of the 16 cylinder. I'm doing some cleaning in the ickiest sections, and look at what we have here. You might be able to see it. You can see how thin it looks in the middle. So I'm gonna carefully dig this out, and once I get up back on the platform, we'll take a closer look at it. Alright, so here's the finds for today. We've got the new low profile wrench. I'll get you in on that. And we've got this big pipe wrench here.
This one.
The jaws are gone, pretty much. I think we might see a hint of the teeth. Here's the other side. Who knows how long these guys were down there.